Is your Minecraft adventure grinding to a halt because your left click just refuses to cooperate? Don't rage quit just yet, because I've got some quick fixes to get you back to mining and crafting in no time. First, let's make sure your controls haven't gone haywire. Head to the Options menu, then click on Controls. Scroll down and find the Use Item action, that's your left click equivalent. Is it correctly bound to the left mouse button? If not, click on it and reassign it. Sometimes resource packs can interfere with your controls, especially if they're outdated or corrupted. Try switching back to the default Minecraft resource pack. See if your left click magically starts working again. If that didn't do the trick, completely restart your Minecraft launcher. This can clear up any temporary glitches that might be messing with your mouse input. Close everything down and fire it back up. Still no luck? Let's dive into your computer's mouse settings. Search for mouse settings in your operating system. Ensure your primary mouse button is set to left. Also, check if there are any accessibility settings enabled that might be interfering with mouse clicks. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these simple solutions has resurrected your left click and you're now back to dominating the Minecraft world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Now go get those diamonds.